Hey, Stukulele from Uke Mullum here. Thanks for stopping by. This uke-torial is for Bad Moon Rising by Creedence Clearwater Revival. It's a great 3-chord beginner song and we will be focusing on the strum patterns. The normal key of the tune is D, but we're going to do it in G because it's kind of better for women's and men's voices across the board. The chords you'll need for this song are G, D, and C. I'll do a quick playthrough for you. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I see bad moon rising. I see trouble on the way. I see earthquakes and lightning. I see bad times today. Well, don't go around tonight. It's bound to take your life. There's a bad moon on the rise. Two parts to the song, a verse and a chorus. Just before we break down the strumming patterns, if you're finding this video helpful, please do give it a thumbs up. Do it now, I'll wait. Thank you. Share it with your friends, leave me a comment below, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do go ahead and do that, and remember to click the notification bell so you never miss a uke-torial. In the verse there are two patterns. Let's call the first pattern pattern 1. It goes like this. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. You want to keep your pendulum motion going through all of your strums. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Now let's connect with the strings. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so that's pattern number 1. Pattern number 2 is just simply down, 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 down. 4 down strokes. So the way it all goes together is pattern number 1, pattern number 2, pattern number 1, pattern number 1. Let's put it all together with the chords. So we have G. Down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. I hear hurricanes are blowing. I know the end is coming soon. I fear rivers overflowing. I hear the voice of rage and ruin. Well, great. Now, the chorus is pretty simple too. We've got pattern number 1, which is exactly the same as pattern number 2 of the verse. Down, 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 down. 4 down strokes. And on the second bar of the chorus, we're going to play a slight variation. Down, 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 up, down. So all together we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let me sing it for you so you can see where it all sits. 1, 2, 3, go. Don't go round tonight. It's bound to take your life. There's a bad moon on the rise. bound to take your life. There's a bad moon on the rise. Don't go around tonight, it's bound to take your life. There's a bad moon on the rise. I hope that helps you with your counting the beats, and also thinking in terms of bars and strumming pattern. So we've got pattern number 1, pattern number 2, pattern number 1, pattern number 1. That makes up the verse. The chorus is pattern number 1, pattern number 2, pattern number 1, pattern number 2. If you play the same strumming pattern all the way through a song, it gets boring for the listener. Something I noticed with this exercise is that the verses are missing the third downbeat. So you've got 1, 2, and 4, and 1, 2, and 4, and that one bar, 1, 2, and 4, and down, 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 gives you a little bit of rhythmic reprieve, if you will. It kind of relaxes you for a second there, because it's not pounding away the whole time. Down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So that's your verse. And then in the chorus, where you want to make the catchy part that everyone sings along with, down, 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 down. It kind of makes it more forceful and more rhythmically driving. So this is why it's a good idea to vary your strumming patterns. There is a printable PDF for this lesson available at patreon.com/Uke Mullum. Thanks for your support, my dear patrons. And thank you for hanging out with me to the end of the video. Props to you. See you next time.
There's a swirl in the sun and a swirl in the sky. There's a smile on the face of everybody passing by.